Today is the second presentation about pendulum. Remember I told you about the very successful healer in France. He used pendulum. He didn't say how to use it, so I'm trying to discover. Today I will try to start this discovery and prove to you that pendulum can be a scientific tool, and you will follow, I hope, me with this journey of discovery. First of all, it's not for any healing diagnostic purposes. It's my disclosure. This is a generator of negative ions, and I'm going to prove to you that this machine or unit generates only negative ions. So I'm going to turn on this machine, and it will show us what is intensity of negative ions. I hope you can see numbers in a second. So you can see minus, it's negative ions. Number is 400, 300, 1000, 3000, 2000. So that's number one. Now I'm going to turn this machine, and this machine will show positive ions. So positive right here. So I will prove to you that no positive ions here. You can see zero. This machine generates only negative ions. Now we will see how this pendulum will react to negative ions. You can see it's moving intensely counterclockwise. Now I'm going to turn off this machine. So no negative ions produced. Same condition, and you can tell there is no movement, right? The conclusion is this instrument can detect negative ions field. And in the next video we will explore more what does it mean.